Hello everyone, welcome back to the Empress K Diaries. Today I'll be unboxing some of my new kitchen essentials and I am so excited to share them with you. These are items I'll be using in my kitchen to make cooking and organizing easier and more enjoyable. I got few things including spice rack, food storage organizer, plates, spoons, a microwave, a freezer, a gas cooker, a plate rack, and some other useful kitchen items. I'll be showing you each one as we go along. It is always exciting to get new items for the home because they make the space feel more comfortable, complete. I am grateful for every step of this journey and I pray for greater progress ahead. Clock it. If you are new here, welcome to the Empress K Diaries. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to support my channel. Your support means a lot to me. And now I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.